Meet Deepak, store manager at Walmart. Every day, he's managing inventory manually, trying to predict restock needs, coordinating with vendors, and dealing with late deliveries, especially during festive seasons like Diwali. And on top of all that, he's balancing tight budgets while launching promotions. It's stressful, time-consuming, and often inaccurate. That's where our solution comes in. Deepak logs into his Retail IQ dashboard, an agentic AI platform built specifically for retail decision-making. The interface is clean and simple. At the top, he sees a snapshot of store performance, current stock levels, active vendors, and alerts from previous weeks. To activate the AI, Deepak issues a prompt, something like "Plan for Diwali stock." Immediately, the system requests inputs, past month's sales data, current season, and any local events. Deepak selects festive season, marks Diwali as an upcoming event, and uploads the latest CSV of sales records. He hits submit. Now the agents go to work. Behind the scenes, a team of specialized AI agents activates in sequence. Demand agent analyzes past trends, adjusting for Diwali, weekday effects, and weather forecasts. Pricing agent reviews market fluctuations and elasticity to recommend price changes. Supply agent evaluates vendor performance, delivery speed, and cost, selecting the most reliable option. Promo agent crafts targeted campaign ideas for key products. Finance agent double-checks everything against budget limits and discount margins. Location agent looks across nearby stores for overstocked items that could be transferred instead of reordered. And finally, strategy agent orchestrates it all, balancing accuracy, cost efficiency, and customer satisfaction. In seconds, Deepak's dashboard updates. He now sees optimal restock quantities, best vendors based on delivery and reliability, a promotion and pricing strategy tailored for Diwali, and a cost summary showing everything stays under budget. With a single click, he presses apply all decisions. Deepak smiles, no more late nights, no more spreadsheet battles. Retail IQ handles the complexity. Agentic AI for retail, smarter, faster, simpler.